Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix NFC is not working in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option app updates. Now click on it, and here you can update your all apps. After update all the apps, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.